Okay, today we're going to show you how to fix your Toshiba remote control if it's not working. This fix will work on almost any of the Toshiba models, including the Toshiba Fire TV. We're going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. If you stay with us all the way to the end of the video and try each of these methods, there is a very high probability that this problem will be solved for you. Okay, the first thing we're going to try is real simple and will pretty much resolve the error for most of you out there, so you might not even need to go on to anything else. Just open up the back of the remote and remove one of the batteries. Then unplug the TV from the wall. Wait 60 seconds. Try to wait the full 60 seconds. And then plug the TV back in. Once the TV comes up to the main screen, just put the batteries back in the remote and try to use the remote and see if it works. If your remote is working again, great. If not, let's try the following. Press the home button for 10 seconds. Release the home button. Wait 30 seconds and try your remote again. In the unlikely event that this did not fix your remote, you can try replacing both batteries in the remote with fresh ones, or order a new replacement remote. We'll put a link down in our description box where you can find a new replacement remote. That's our video for today. As always, thank you very much for watching, and please remember to subscribe.